Hello, church. How you all doing? Sunday was powerful, wasn't it? I learned a lot on different levels. You know, Abraham, Hagar, Sarah, Ishmael. Oh, I just wrote something real quick and I hope it blesses you. It's about waiting. I pray it blesses you. God is always on time. He is never late. I know it's been a while, but have faith and wait. Sarah was tired. She wanted a child, but she made a decision that was kind of wild. She got bitter. She gave God the blame. Found a shortcut. Well, this is the fast lane. Sleep with my slave. Abraham said, okay, fine. But whatever happens, it's on your back, not mine. Sometimes the fastest way forward is to go slow. Waiting is an opportunity to grow. Waiting is an opportunity to know. Waiting is preparing you for the blessings that will flow. Don't get bitter. Waiting is making you better. If God has posted your blessings, don't worry, you'll get the letter. You don't need to speed things up or help God out. You know He created the world, north, east, west, and south. He is faithful, merciful, makes all things beautiful and fine. He is never late. God is always on time. God bless you. Have a great day. Be patient in the wait. Everything's going to be okay.